This is a case where my client was driving home at 4 a.m. His name was Timothy Herman. He broke down on the side of the road in the fast lane facing the wrong way. Another individual pulled over. His name was Armando Solis and his wife, Miss Raquelme. They pulled over to help. And then another driver coming down the road ended up not seeing Mr. Herman's vehicle, struck that vehicle, which threw both Mr. Herman and Mr. Solis over a bridge. My client at the time was 22 years old. He is pretty much fully conscious in his brain. He can feel pain from his neck down, cannot move other than his eyes, but he knows what's going on. We did go to trial. It was surreal, is actually the only word I can say when I got the verdict. We were able to find bad faith based upon the fact that farmers didn't read their own policy. And if they had, they should have sent Mrs. Herman the check when she asked for it twice. Well, you know, as a plaintiff lawyer, we are the David versus Goliaths in the world, frankly. There's quite a camaraderie, mostly due to organizations like the CAOC, and we do help each other, but we really are outgunned, outmanned, outspent in everything that we do. You know, as long as we put our clients' needs above our own, as long as we think of them more than ourselves, and I try and teach this to so many lawyers who ask me, if we do that, you don't have to worry about the money, it'll come. If you really care for people, do what's in your client's best interest. If you do that, then you will be successful and you will be happy in this career.
And ladies and gentlemen, the Consumer Attorney of the Year award goes to Greg Rizio.
Okay, those of you who know me well, listen closely because you'll never hear these words again. I'm speechless, actually. You know, I hate the title Consumer Attorney of the Year award because every one of those attorneys should be standing up here with me. Can we give them another round of applause? A few years ago, Chris Dolan walked on this stage, and he struggled walking up here because he had been in a motorcycle accident. And he gave some words that touched me, and I'd heard them hundreds of times. He quoted from the book of James and said, "Be doers, not listeners." And to be honest with you, I learned more from hearing those words that I'd heard hundreds of times in church here than I did at any Sunday school. And I started looking around the organization, and I saw doers, right? You've heard a lot of the same names. Nancy, Pev. I know, I'm not going to use their full names. I don't have full time. Lori, right? I looked around the organization. I saw my idols, the Mark Robinsons, the Wiley Aikens, the Tom Girardis, the Bill Chernoffs, Brown Greens, Brian Panishes, Don Ernsts. I got to know them. And they're doers, right? They are. So, it's an honor to stand up here. But all of us, as Elise said, have someone that really helps us do what we love to do in our family. And for me, there's a couple guys that are my trial team. You know, the guys that I call or text at 2:30 in the morning. And, you know, call me when you get up. And most of the time they text me right back. I'm like, what the hell are you doing? It's 2:30 in the morning. But they call me back. And it's Bill Shapiro, trial lawyer, Calaboda Trial Lawyer of the Year a couple days ago. Greg Bentley. Thank you, guys, for all the help you have given me and all the support. And it goes beyond lawyers, and more importantly is my beautiful wife, Erica, who many times takes the role of a single mother while I'm in trial, helping people like Tim Herman and raising our three beautiful kids of Cassie, Caleb, and Olivia over here. So again, I don't accept this as a Consumer Attorney of the Year because that sounds too individual. I accept this as a person who does what he loves to do because of the inspiration I draw from this room and the love and support of all of you at every table. Because I could have gone from table to table. Frank Petrie, Nancy Drell, I could go from table to table, and all of you have inspired me. And for that, I love all of you. Thank you.
I just want to thank the team that was behind us, Michelle Marcus and Eric Reinen. We really could not have done it without you, so I want to thank you.